Hello everyone. So in this video we will discuss about the overview of a DMU product or a digital mockup. So in DMU product or a DMU solution offer a wide range of a product for performing review, presentation and simulation of a digital mockup of a various size from small customer goods to very large assembly. It may be in a aeroplane, cars, ship, and plant layout. So this in this digital mockup, you will may demonstrate the review the model using scenes, annotation and presentation. Visualize the assembly using tracks and simulation. Perform measurement, analyze the section, perform an interface analysis, simulate the assembly motion, simulate the assembly and disassemble of the component, reduce the size of the mockup using alternative shape. So basically in this digital mockup you will find different types of module according to the different use of the review. Okay, here you will get the navigator space analysis. I think I have one of the video of this DMU. What you will get in this DMU kinematics. Just a second. Now you can see in this video there are different types of DMU workbenches like your digital mockup, DMU navigator, DMU space analysis, DMU kinematics, DMU fitting analysis. All type of model is there. So this is first one is your DMU fitting. Here you will get a different type of workbenches or tools for DMU review. Then if I will go to the next one, here you can switch directly to one per platform to another. Here you will get the DMU optimizer. So DMU space analysis. So according to your requirement, you may have the this is DMU kinematics. According to your requirement, you may choose your modules. So here this is the DMU fitting. Okay. The first module it is DMU. This is your DMU navigators. So what is there in DMU navigators? In DMU navigator workspace provide collaborative review visualization, navigation and communication capability for mockup. uh, for mockup. So here in DMU navigator you will get view and 3D annotation. You can see here you will get the view and 3D annotation, navigation of a DMU inspection, advanced measurement distance. You can see here advanced measurement distance, then collaborated DMU review through 2D to 3D. Here it is DMU review from through 2D to 3D, 2D and 3D annotation, drawing comparison, hyperlinks, then hyperlinks creation, simulation, replay and movie generation. You can simulate and replay for a review movie generation. You can see here the sequence and the kind of thing. Then then advanced visualization, simulation analysis, product synthesis capability including full impressive drawing review through native integration with DMU product. It will publish the support of a report. You can generate the report from this in which is in the HTML format. You can integrate with Innovia BPM, Innovia V5 and Innovia BPM for a solution to promote the best practice. So in DMU you will get some common tools you will find in every DMU modules. One is your view, one is your measurement. Okay, so one is your view and another is your measurement. To understand the navigation mode, navigation helps to review. They say navigation helps to review and move through the design in three navigation. There are three mode of navigation. One is fly mode, one is examine mode. You are in examine mode. Now you are in examine mode. If you want to go for fly mode, you can go with the fly mode and work mode. So in this examine mode, if I'll go to the examine mode, this is the default navigation mode when you start the CATIA. This help you quick a review for a component by zooming, planning, rotating around selection plane. So you can see when I will go for this one by zooming, fit, rotate, zoom in, zoom out, normal, different types of viewpoints. Then in fly mode, this is the complex mode. This is the most complex mode. It will help you to go through the go through you component, like if you are flying, you can also make rotate as if you were turn head. So then walk mode. So if you go to this one, then you will get the fly mode and walk mode. So this fly mode is very this one. If I will go for this walk mode, you can see it is rotating. Okay, so this is the simplest version of a fly mode. You will visit the your component if you are working in the selected plane. You can as the fly mode does, turn your head to review the component also. So here you will get the turn your head, fly mode. You can go with accelerate, this accelerate. I have one video to demonstrate that one. That is your the fly mode. You can watch this video. I'll just making the speed. You can see now you are in examine mode. Then you can go with see in examine mode you will find different types of means pan, rotate, see pan, then rotate, then zoom in, fit all in. So this fit the current document content into the geometric area. Then we will go to the fly mode. In this fly mode you can see you can fly into the navigate as if you are actually working or flying inside the component. You can see turn the head also. You can see you can use various available function like turn head, fly and zooming. The next one is your next functionality of you is your the common tools in which you will find in all the DMU modules or DMU modules workbench. That is your measure. So measurement allow you to measure the distance between geometrical set. Okay, entire geometrical set. You can also measure the mechanical properties such as your mass, inertia. You can see you can go with the mass, inertia, measure thickness here, mass and inertia. You can go for this. So measure between, measure item, measure properties also they are in this. So for that also I have some demonstration on this, how to measure in this review for a review purpose. You can see I have an assembly. I have one assembly. So I can go for measure. I think it's you can you may use this thing for measuring purpose. The same thing you can find in the review, DMU review. It's just simply for a measure between two parts, a measure between the geometries. So different types of measure tools you can find. Also you can find them. You can go for the properties of the component. Then the most frequently used you will find this one here, uh, annotation. Here you will get the 2D annotation and 3D annotation. So basically using annotation you will able to quickly see and check the critical point of position. So you can share your document with the supplier or client to discuss your design. So this added quick communication and provide visual inputs. So in 3D text, you text can seen everywhere, that is through any viewpoint, but in 2D this text can only visible in viewpoints in which the it is created. If you only get the 2D text can be seen everywhere. When you can make it, you can make with the hyperlink, you can go with the group, the enhanced, this one. So I have some video of this 2D to 3D one. You can see how to donate, give the annotation in DMU review creation. You can see I have selected one of the plane and go to the normal view. Here I have given some person, select the person and noted as the 2D. This is something what I am writing in the 2D view. Okay, because I have check on one of the plane. But if you go to the 3D view, 3D annotation, we can write any of the viewpoint. You can see this 3D any of the viewpoint, like this one which floor, table, then seat, box. So in this way you can donate this one. See, now you can observe here the 3D is the 3D annotation is visible in any of the viewpoint, but in 2D it is only possible when you will in that particular view point. You can link and only the 2D. So in this way you can also go for the review for 2D and 3D annotation. Then I have another one which is enhanced, or managing the component, sorry, enhanced data. You can see enhances sometimes when you will have the uh, want to see the component, how many components is there, want to see how many number of component is there in this, you can go with this enhanced, because after doing the assembly you cannot go for exploded view. So in that you can go with the exploded view in enhanced, which is in the background. Okay. You can save this one and go for that. When we'll go for this enhance, you can see double click on enhance, it will show you that exploded view. So different types of enhanced properties also there. You can create a multiple number of enhanced to see the points of each of every operation of the each and every operation of your component. Then you can go with, you can create presentation. So here you can give the link also. You can go with the hyperlink and browse any of the component. Let I will select of any of the component, any of the documents. So I can attach with any of the documents, so that, so yes. So when you will go with this hyperlink and click over this, double click, it will take to my documents. Okay, you can attach a url and or any local document also. Okay, so here you can manage annotation view. You can go with the hyperlink scenes browser. If you have multiple number of scenes, then you can go with this presentation browser. So I have one document also, one 3D model where all this thing is there. I have prepared one 3D model where I have applied all this review uh, creation. Yes, you can see here I have given the group. So here you can see the number of three number of component I have given here. And what is the use of a group? If I will take these three elements, so automatic means at a time I can go for operations like I think I have one video also on this. mm, I think this one is the video. No, no, this is what viewpoint. So here you can create the track for seeing this one. You can see, you can capture the viewpoint also. You can go with this different measurement. You can go with the annotation, 2D annotation, and for a review purpose you can add it here and make as a presentation mode. So here you can see I have added three presentation. Okay, I can go with one by one. So I will go with one by one. See, in presentation mode it is just like your PowerPoint presentation. Okay, you can add this one also. Then you can go with the DMU move. So I have one of the video also for DMU move. Here you can find the translation, rotation and position. So the same thing you can do in in your with the help of a compass for moving the component. But it is and the tools is available in this DMU models. So you can easily offset with respect to x, y and z. You can easily rotate with respect to x axis, y axis and z axis. You can transform out the transformation the position. You can give change the position by using this move toolbar. Here also you can get this snap. So one part want to snap with some other part, you can go with the snap. You can see previously to here I want to snap it this, you can go with the snap. It is similar kind of thing in your assembly. Then symmetry, can do the symmetry, you can reset the position by using apply it. Here this is what we can do. Now here the interesting thing is a track. We can create the track viewpoint. So let I will do this one, this observer track. You can see I just go to this camera observer one and do the run the simulation of this observer one. Just a second. Observer one need to be highlight. Okay. And I have created one camera view and I want to move for review purpose with respect to this track. Maybe move. I don't know why it is not moving. I'm just going to this and here I just run the simulation. I want to run the simulation this. Some wrong is there. I have one video how to run the simulation by creating the track. You can see by use of a camera we can simulate the viewpoint. See here you can see we are creating the track with respect to the camera. Here the most important thing is for a reviewing purpose to see the viewpoint. I'm just creating the track. Yes, so that whenever we'll go for the rotate go to see in that track we can see the product. And just here it is recording the path. Now you can see it will run. To just run the simulation, the camera is moving with respect to that track. So in this way you can move the camera by creating the tracks. This is all about. Okay, then if you have multiple number of track you can go with the sequence. So sequence is nothing but to run multiple number of simulation in a single uh, single one, in a single shot. So here also you can get the set of stuff, means if you any class detection is there, means class is there during the simulation, it will stop there. So here you can get three types of um, interface class mode. One is your class mode detection of class mode. Class will detect but it will run the simulation. Class mode detection means first one is class detection of means it won't detect any class. Then class detection on means class will detect but it will run the simulation. Then third one is class detection stop means class will detect at that class point, it will stop the simulation. Okay, this thing also you will find in your DMU kinematics. Okay, so I hope you got some idea about DMU review. The in DMU review, you means in DMU workbenches, this view toolbars under DMU measures, you will find all type of a module in all the module of a DMU. But here in DMU Navigator, you will get this type of for a review purpose. So here the important one is you can create a 2D and 3D annotation. You can link with the hyperlink. You can go with group of any subpart or a part. You can go with scene. You can enhance the product with the help of enhanced screen. Then presentation mode, you can show in the presentation mode. Then here you can go with the sectioning section of the part, create the review. So this is the review navigations. This is all about DMU and DMU navigators. Hope you got the some idea on DMU concept. Thank you.